All right, it's August 1st. We are heading out with Fly High fishing charters out of Montague. But first, we got to stop and see Mitch and the boys, grab a few things, be out on the lake soon, hopefully get on some hogs.